Hey guys, what's up? I am Nikhil from 𝗕𝗟𝗓𝗏 and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the amazing animation packs from Aejuice. They have a Black Friday sale going on where you can get the I Want It All bundle, which contains all their amazing packs just for $150. Now before you go ahead and purchase anything, you can actually download the Aejuice Pack Manager plugin and download all the free starter pack that they provide and try it out for yourself, and you got nothing to lose. So without any further ado, let's jump into After Effects and let's see what they have to offer. Alright, so here we are in After Effects. Now, after you download and install the Aejuice Pack Manager, you can find it under Windows, and there you'll find the Aejuice Pack Manager. So just click on this to launch the complete plugin. And as I told you guys before, you can buy the complete package, the all-in-one bundle, for just $150, which is absolutely amazing, I think. Now, before making the purchase, you can also try out their free starter pack. So it's absolutely free. You can see the quality that they provide, how to use the pack, and it's super simple and the quality is super amazing. So let's check them out one by one. So first, let's take a look at the Cyberpunk HUD pack, which is one of my personal favorite. It's absolutely amazing. It has so many amazing animations. Now, if you are a fan of the new Cyberpunk game, then you would definitely enjoy using this pack. If you're creating that kind of project, this text animation section is one of my favorite because it consists of this really cool and interesting looking glitchy text animation, and there are a number of different styles for this text animation. They also come with their own sound effects, so you don't need to search for different sound effects on any other website and stuff like that. So it's super awesome. As you can see, you also have some track mats and assets that you can use, some displacement map that you can use in your animation, some elements that you can use again. It's super awesome. Then let's take a look at the kinetic typography. So let's jump into this. Now, kinetic typography is like super trending these days. Everyone is using this kind of cool typography animation on their to promote their product or to make some sales. Talking about the Black Friday, a lot of typography animations are used to promote these kind of Black Friday offers and sales and whatnot. And as you can see with this pack, there are so many variations, so many cool typography animations that it's absolutely mind-bending. It's so complex and looks super cool. Also, using these animations is also very easy. All you have to do is create your composition, and all the animations can be used in any type of composition size. So let's say I'm using 1920 by 1080. I'm going to click OK, and to use any animation, all I have to do is just double click on that particular animation, and it's going to take few seconds to load it up. And boom, there we go. Just in maybe 1 second, there we have the complete animation. The animations are super professional and looks very cool, and using them is also very easy. Now let's take a look at the cartoon comics pack, which is again a very interesting pack. If you are into this kind of animation, you're gonna love it. Some cool text animations, as you can see, and there are so many varieties in every single animation. As you can see, the complete design style is also pretty amazing. You also get some very nice backgrounds that you can use. Maybe if you're streaming or doing something like that, you can use this to make your stream look even more cooler. We have some nice logo types, so we can add this nice simple logo animation. Then we have some Instagram stories as well. Then they have some trailer scenes. This reminds me of Looney Tunes, which looks super awesome. Then let's check out the seamless transition, which is one of my favorite transition pack that they have. There are a number of different amazing transitions. They have some very nice and amazing transitions, and they look super cool if you're creating some vlogs, some cinematic videos, or maybe a B-roll footage. They look super amazing, and there are a number of different styles to choose from. And as you can see, you can easily browse through all the transition, and it's gonna save you a hell lot of time basically. some nice glitches, some hit transitions. Very nice, and these transitions are super useful if you are creating vlogs. So let's jump into the next section, which is liquid elements. So I can jump into this, and this is one of their best selling pack, that is the liquid elements. There are so many different animations of liquid elements that you can use to enhance your videos and make them look super cool. And I have made dedicated videos on these packs, so you can check that out. I'll mention the link in the description below. There are so many animations that we cannot go through each and every animation in one single video. You have to try it for yourself. You know, it's super awesome. The value that we are getting for such a good price is absolutely insane. Then they also have some auto text, Instagram stories, animated backgrounds, which is again one of my favorite pack. They have some really nice animated backgrounds that you can use, add in a title, and you are good to go. Very nice, sweet, and they have background for every scenario, every kind of animation that you want for. Then let's check out some title animations. So again, I can jump into this, and there we go, some nice simple title animation pack that they have. Then we have the epic trailer. This is one of my favorite. They have some very interesting and cool looking trailer title animation. I have used some of these in my projects, in my personal and client projects as well. Then let's check out some animated logo types. So I can jump into this, and if you're looking for a quick logo animation for any kind of brand or any kind of video, they have just perfect logo animation for any kind of scenarios. You can see there are a number of different styles, and they look super cool. This bouncy overshoot, and you know, that small detail that they have in the animation is absolutely amazing. Then they have animated emojis. So in case if you're looking for some animated emojis, you can check out this pack as well. Then we have cosmic animated typeface, which is again one of my favorite pack. We get this very cool typeface, and you can use this to maybe create a title animation for your videos. Then we have some slide vintage collection. So it contains some very cool slide animation in vintage style that you can use. So in case if you want to showcase your old photos and create a nice slideshow out of it, you can use this animation, and you know, it's very nice and easy to use. Then we have some sound effects pro. So if you're looking for some amazing sound effects, you don't need to go elsewhere. You can just get this pack and you're good to go. Then we have slides for weddings. So if you are creating some wedding slideshows, you can use this pack to create some amazing wedding slideshow animations, and you know, in just a click. Then again, we have liquid transitions, shape elements, and I have created dedicated videos on these animations and elements, so you can check that out. So just imagine you're getting so many different animation for just the price of $150, which is absolutely amazing. The complete pack, all of these pack together are worth more than $2,000, which is mind-bending, I think, and you're getting that value for just $150. So I definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check out the Aejuice pack. I have mentioned the link in the description below, so head on and check it out for yourself, and if you find it useful, you can purchase the pack and you know, you're good to go. So that was a complete overview of the Aejuice pack manager with all the different pack that they have. They have a special Black Friday sale going on, as I told you about again and again, the I Want It All bundle, which you can check out. So you can head on to aejuice.com and check out their limited time Black Friday offer, where you can get all this amazing pack with I Want It All bundle, which is just selling for $150. Again and again, I can't stress this enough that it's amazing value for the price. Again, I have mentioned the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. So I'm wrapping it up for today, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and always stay raw, stay creative. Peace out.